Hello everyone! Have you ever had your favorite t-shirt get a small hole like this? Don't throw it away just yet. Today, I'll show you how to mend this hole with a super simple hand sewing technique. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and your shirt will look like new. No sewing machine needed. Now let's get started. I'm using a needle and light colored thread like this so you can easily observe each stitch. When you do it at home, choose thread that matches your shirt so the stitches are completely invisible. We start sewing right at the hole. Here I'm using a technique called opposite stitching. The stitches are made symmetrically, evenly, and close to the fabric edges. When you pull the thread, the two edges of fabric will draw tightly together. This makes the mend almost invisible and prevents the thread from showing on the outside. Where are you from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Back to the sewing. The extra fabric edges will be neatly tucked inside, keeping it clean and tidy. Just keep stitching evenly until the hole is completely closed. At the end of the stitching line, I'll make smaller stitches like a sewing machine to prevent wrinkles. Then I'll stitch back over the seam like this to secure it firmly. Finally, thread the needle to the inside of the shirt. To prevent fraying, we'll add a small row of overlock stitches to hold the fabric edges in place. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. Your support is the greatest motivation for me to share even more useful tips. A quick note, with thin t-shirts, you can sew directly like I'm doing here. But with thicker shirts or larger holes, you should reinforce them with fusible fabric patches. This way, the repair will be extra secure and durable. Once the overlock stitches are finished, tie a small knot to secure the thread, then trim off the excess. And here it is. Take a look. The hole has been neatly, invisibly, and safely mended. This is a simple, cost-saving, and effective method that lets you reuse old t-shirts instead of throwing them away. If you found this video helpful, please like and share to support the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you again in the next video. Wishing you joy and creativity every day.